can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he call my toes. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool.
Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of October period. Okay, yeah man, the last time I spoke to you guys, or the last time you saw me guys, I was unbraiding my hair. So yeah, which was yesterday, a Friday. And you know what, yesterday was something. So we're just chilling here and leaning with my hair, crazy looking hair, and we decided, you know what, we need to go somewhere because we can't be inside when other kids are outside. We can't be inside when other kids are having fun. So we decided that, you know what, we're gonna go out and go have fun. And boy oh boy, did we have fun. Let's have like a flashback moment period.
Flashback.
Hi guys, so we are at Mojo's in Devonport right now, and yeah, we just decided we need to go out because why not? It's a Friday, period.
So right now I just washed my hair, super tired, heavily hanging, like I'm oh my gosh. And I've been going out a lot, like every weekend there's always something.
Flashback.
out, went out to get us something. I ate saying because right now the time is about 12:30. I ate saying, but I'm already hungry again, and I just want something ebabayo, basically. So yeah, if I end up going, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna vlog for you guys, period. You know, Vlogtober. Guys, I know that I said I'm gonna be dropping 2 videos a week. It's not happening. Like, I'm trying my best to do it, but I feel like it's not happening. But I'll try to film at least a vlog and then have a sit-down video, vlog, sit-down video, vlog, sit-down video, you know. Yeah, I'll try that. The thing is, with sit-down videos, I told you guys that I have roommates here, and I can't just film whenever I want to. If they're away, I film. If they're not, then I can't. I'm gonna try doing it at work, book a boardroom or something. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, guys, I'm blurping now.
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all it's telling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Savage? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way